this video, I will tell you why every person should use vitamin C serum. I will show you my favorite skincare line and their vitamin C offerings. I will also tell you about my personal experience with the vitamin C serums. Hi, I'm Ala Shapiro and this is Forever Young channel. Yes, the name has changed, people are asking me why, and I will tell you, so do subscribe, I will tell you in one of the future videos. I want every woman to be healthy, energetic and beautiful, and this is why I created this channel. So remember when you were in your 20s? That's a long time for me, but some of you may be still in your 20s. Starting to use vitamin C serum in your 20s is very important if you want your skin to stay young and healthy for many years. Because vitamin C protects you from environmental damage that sun rays and other environmental factors cause. If you're older and you already have some damage, don't despair, vitamin C helps improve those things as well. And my recommendation is SkinCeuticals vitamin C products. They are award-winning products. They have been on the market for many years. They have been studied and they are very effective. And we'll talk about 4 of those. And I will tell you how to pick the appropriate vitamin C serum from the SkinCeutical line. So if you suffer from wrinkles and loss of firmness, I can't say the word firmness, pick CE Ferulic. One word of caution, it's not for everyone. If you have an oily skin, you will get blackheads because it has vitamin E. But it's a really good serum for somebody with dry skin. If you suffer from discoloration and dullness, pick Floritin CF. And if your skin is oily and have blemishes, do consider the very new, just came out, Silymarin CF. I currently use Floritin, but I will be going to Silymarin just because in summer my skin gets a little bit more oily, I do break out. And there is this new concept called maskne. Maskne is acne from wearing your mask. And many of us suffer with it. We see lots of clients coming in and we have a special facial for maskne. I highly recommend to use the AOX eye serum in this area. Do not put regular vitamin C here just because it's a little bit strong and you may get irritation. If you're still confused on what product to use and you are in New Jersey area, please stop by or call one of the Woodhouse Day Spas. And we will offer you a free product consultation so an esthetician can look at your skin and advise you on the best product for you. So how do you use vitamin C products? First, you cleanse your face in the morning, then you use your favorite serum and moisturizer, and then you apply vitamin C. On top of vitamin C, you have to apply you don't have to, but it's beneficial to apply an SPF, because when you put vitamin C and SPF together, the antioxidant protection multiplies many folds. And I'm very curious to know what kind of vitamin C products you guys use, so comment below. To maximize the anti-aging properties of your vitamin C serum, please use retinol at night. And I have a video on how to safely start retinol because it's a little bit tricky and you can watch it next.